Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying model compatibility and whether the bootloader and board can be serviced. This matters because mobile GPUs are often soldered and board-specific. Once done, back up the entire NAND image and user data so you can recover settings if the swap fails. You then power to safe state, charge above 60%, remove the SIM tray, and ground yourself. Finally, lay out ESD-safe tools, the replacement GPU or module, and a magnifier so you don't rush fragile traces. You continue by carefully accessing the motherboard, detach the rear panel, and disconnect the battery to prevent shorts. Next, remove shields and daughter boards to expose the GPU. Keep screws sorted. For desoldering, use a precisely profiled hot air or reflow station with flux and solder wick to lift the BGA. Slow, incremental heat prevents lifted pads. Once removed, clean pads with isopropyl alcohol and a brush. Inspect under a microscope for damaged traces, and pre-bake the board if you detect You finish by reballing the original GPU or placing the replacement module, using a stencil or jig to ensure perfect pad alignment because misalignment causes shorts. Apply correct solder paste and flux, then reflow following the verified thermal profile. Allow slow cool to avoid cracks. After reassembly, reconnect the battery and boot into recovery or fast boot to verify hardware detection. If the device fails, check logs for power rail or thermal sensor errors and restore from the NAND backup to retry firmware matching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.